Hola, this is Tamara Marie, host of the Learn Spanish con Salsa podcast. And I have a quick announcement for all of the listeners of the podcast. If you are interested in learning Spanish as the summer winds down, now I know it's still July, but August is right around the corner. And towards the end of August, I will be offering an opportunity if you want to take your Spanish to the next level. So if you're interested in getting a little bit more support and finding a fun way to learn Spanish with a community behind you to really help push you and move you forward to make progress quickly, go to SpanishConSalsa.com/join. That's SpanishConSalsa.com/join and click on Add Me to the Wait List. And that will get you on our list, so you'll be one of the first to know once we open up our course and our membership again, if you're interested in getting some help to improve your Spanish. So again, that will be coming up towards the end of August, but if you want to get on the list now to get sort of a VIP first look into what we're offering and some of the enhancements that we're making, you can sign up for the wait list right now. So again, that's SpanishConSalsa.com/join. And just click on Add Me to the Waitlist and put in your email, and we will send you all of that information once it is available. So also, just to let you know, I am on vacation this week, so there is no episode. But for next week, we will be having a conversation with Jen Ruiz of Jen on a Jet Plane, and we're going to talk all about one of my favorite destinations, Puerto Rico. So we're going to talk about places to visit in Puerto Rico beyond the capital city. So if you've gone on maybe a cruise there, you may have only seen Old San Juan, but there's so much more to see in Puerto Rico beyond that. So we're going to talk all about it with Jen next week. And we'll also be talking a little bit about Puerto Rican Spanish and what makes it unique and different than Spanish spoken throughout Latin America and other parts of the Spanish speaking world. Okay, so stay tuned for that next week. And again, if you're going to be interested in getting some help with your Spanish towards the end of the summer, make sure you're on our mailing list. So go to SpanishConSalsa.com/join and sign up. Okay, that's it. I hope you are enjoying your summer, and I hope you also get an opportunity to take a vacation and also practice some Spanish this summer. Okay, so that's it. I look forward to sharing everything about Puerto Rican Spanish with you next week. Until then, hasta luego.